Hello people who are watching Easy Does It. Today we are going to show you some Rubik's Cube patterns and configurations.
Okay, so today I am a guest and I am going to show you the first cube configuration. So what you do is you hold it with the red part forward. This way you can follow along with us, but you could do a different color if you
Want to.
When you do with the same colors as us, then
It's
it will just be a
easier.
little bit easier
Yeah.
to follow. Okay, so when you have that, you do this. So this is row 1, row 2, and row 3.
I'm actually going to do
row
this so I don't
3
have
up.
to turn it. I'm just going to do it back.
Now
I'm not going to turn it.
Well, I'm going to turn it left, once left, and do row 3 up. Turn it once left, up, turn it once left, and up. Here, this is what we call the colorful void or the colorful hurricane. It's not up to us, it's up to you.
Yes.
Now, to solve this, you could just do the last one you did, and
But if you forgot what you did, you want to find the square with 2 in a row on top and then put it down. But when you do that, you want to see these 3, but because there are 2 squares,
and you might find
where there's only 2 and then 3 across from each other. So
Okay.
you do not want that.
Then undo that and do the other square.
Yes.
Okay, now you turn it, do the red down, turn it, do the green down, and turn it, do the orange down. This is solved.
Now we're going to do one that I made up called the colorful eye. So
It's not an eye like on your face, but it's an eye like an alphabet.
yes. So you are going to do one slice move down, and then you find this green up. You want that actually because then you can find that.
Oh, this is what the eye will look like in the end, and he will show you step by step how to do it.
So now you have this, then you will turn it one way. It doesn't matter. Then you just do another one down.
Another slice move down.
And then you need to turn it the same way that you did last time, and then do it down. Now you have this eye.
And to solve this, you find this strip right here and do a slice move down with that. Now you'll find a strip right here, turn it,
do down,
then a strip,
and you find this,
turn it
do
down.
it up.
Okay, solved. Very good. Now, this next one, I am going to show you how to do it. We call it the present box, and you will see why it's called that. So you do 2 slice moves with your cube so that the opposite color is on top. Now you turn it left or right, it doesn't really matter which, and do 2 slice moves again. Now you can see why this is called the present box. It has this diamond that looks like a bow, and then this is the box underneath, and then there are these strips like other ribbon coming up on either side. Okay, to solve this, we are gonna do, it doesn't matter which slice move, like if you forgot, you can just do 2 slice moves, 2 slice moves, and the cube is solved.
Arg, I made that dumb eye again.
Okay, let's solve that.
Oh, now I got the prison box again. Let's do down, down.
You're gonna just make the eye again.
No, I'm not. Up, to that way. What?
I think you messed
Okay,
up
yep,
your
I made
cube.
the eye again.
Okay, hurry up.
Now we find this one up, and then we do this one. Now we got the prison box. Which one did we do? Okay, let's do that.
It doesn't matter which. Oh my gosh! You have to do 2.
Oh, that's what my mistake was.
You always
guys
do that,
always
dude.
have to do 2. Wow.
Okay, you are a messed up dude.
Yep, I am so a messed up dude.
Hurry up now.
Yep, I need to solve this dumb eye that we got again.
Just solve
Okay,
it,
fine,
dude.
there we go. Now we got another eye.
Hurry up!
I'm trying!
You have to do 2, don't you remember? Okay, so if you don't do 2, then you will get stuck.
Okay, we found this O, and then you just did 2, and then you got the I again.
Stupid eye!
Stupid I!
Try to get back to the present box.
I'll try to.
Your cube has to turn.
No, that's the I. I want it to be down here. No, then that's the O. That's the dumb O. I'm better at solving the I. Okay. Oh, there we go. 1, 2, and then.
Okay.
Yay! I solved it the non-present box way.
Okay,
with
so
that
when
dumb
you
I.
have the.
I hate that I now. I hate that I.
Okay, when you have the present box, you have to do 2 slice moves.
Yep.
Remember that, or you will get stuck.
I only did 1. Okay, now we are going to do another one that my sister's going to show you. Okay, she doesn't know. It looks like I'm going to do it. It's called the Colorful Museum. You just do 1 slice move.
What? Okay.
This is easy, and then you turn it, then 1 slice move. Maybe you can see why I call it the Colorful Museum, but it doesn't really make sense. I'm just going to do another one that way. So then it kind of looks more colorful. So then you make that again, and then you find that there's these blue things, the blue, yellow, and you make it up. Then you see that there's yellow, green, and then white. So there's blue and then blue. So you're just going to do 1 slice move. There we go. We finished our video. We hope you enjoy. Thank you for watching Rubik's Cube Patterns and Configurations. Bye.